In this video, we'll explain how you can customize your all-over print zip hoodie using our design template. We'll show you how to add an all-over design to the template and demonstrate how you can customize specific elements like the sleeves, pockets, and hood of your hoodie. To get started, make sure you've downloaded the design template provided in the Teespring launcher. Then open it up in Photoshop or free image editing software like GIMP. In this tutorial, we'll be using Photoshop. As soon as you open the template, you'll be presented with this message. Make sure to read it and then delete this layer. Keep in mind you'll need to cover all of the design template, including the bleed areas marked in pink. Don't forget, if you want to add a specific background color to your zip hoodie, you can go to the Layers panel and find the layer called Background Color. Double-click the blue box, then choose the background color you like. Keep in mind you can view the layer called Delete Panel Information to see how the panels will match up with the hoodie mockups. Now that we've covered the basics of using the design template, let's start designing. When designing anything on this template, make sure that you're on the layer called Save Place Your Artwork Here. Adding an all-over design is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is cover up the entire design area of the template. To do this, you can simply drop an image, photo, or pattern onto the template. Something you'll need to consider when using this method is the placement of the pocket on the front. As you can see, the pocket is a separate piece of fabric that is sewn onto the front of the hoodie. This means that the design on the pocket likely won't match up perfectly with the front of the hoodie. So what you can do to help with the alignment is copy this area in front of the hoodie and paste it onto the pocket panel. Once you're finished customizing your all-over design, the next step is to export the design file, which we'll cover at the end of this video. The sleeves are positioned at either side of the design template. Each sleeve is one piece of fabric that folds in half. You can use the rectangle tool to make the sleeves a specific color. You can also add a specific pattern or image to the sleeves by importing the image, then using the transform tool to scale the image to a size that covers up the entire sleeve area, including the bleed. You can also add a logo to the sleeves. All you need to do is place the logo lengthways across the middle of each sleeve in this position. The exterior and interior of the hood can also be customized in a similar way as the sleeves. All you need to do is use the rectangle tool or import an image file and place it to cover this area. These three panels on the template are the right cuff, waistband, and left cuff. When adding design elements to the cuffs and waistband, we do not recommend adding logos or text. This is because these elements may get cut or folded out of view during the garment's assembly. The back of the zip hoodie is a great space to showcase large typography, designs, text, and images. You can add text onto the hoodie by using the Type tool. There are several fonts to choose from in Photoshop, or you can download more for free from the internet. Type your text anywhere within the safe area and take into account where the hood will lay when it's down, to make sure that you're not covering up your text. When you're finished, click Return or click the check mark. Before exporting your design, first show the layer called Delete Design Check to make sure your design is covering the correct areas of the template. If everything looks good, delete the layers that have the word delete in their names. Next, export your design by going to File, Save As, and select the PNG format. After exporting your design, make sure to check the file size. You should aim to submit design templates that are under 50 MB. If you need to reduce the file size, go back to Photoshop and open up your design template. Once here, go to Image, Image Size, and change the resolution from 150 to 120 or 100, for example. After reducing the resolution, click OK and save the artwork using the same process as before. If the file is still too large, you may need to reduce the resolution again. Just keep in mind that design templates with a resolution lower than 75 will not be processed. Once your design template is ready, you can head back to the Teespring launcher and create your all-over print zip hoodie.